It's another bright and sunny morning.
Are you ready? What are you doing?
Aha!
The electric cars are charging in the parking lot.
Wow! Amazing! Bravo!
The blue electric car is fully charged and ready to go.
What's next? Whoa!
The charging station breaks down.
What happened?
The yellow electric car is on fire.
Oh my god! No!
Fire truck.
Come here! Let's go!
Fire truck rushes over to put out the fire.
Wow!
Here we go!
What's wrong with the foam sprayer?
Good job!
Oh no! The sprayer is out of control.
What happened?
Ah!
Oh no!
Foam is flying everywhere and won't
Oh
stop.
my god!
Ah!
That.
Water tank truck.
Are you ready?
Here comes the water tank truck.
Okay. Wow!
It washes away all the foam from the little cars.
Wow, it's a nice climb. I like it. Who is next?
The electric cars get a good rinse too.
I got it. It's amazing. Look at this.
Thanks, water tank truck.
Street sweeper.
Street sweeper comes to clean up the foam on the ground.
It's my time. Very nice. I got it. It's a disappear. What is this?
Crane truck.
Crane truck lifts the electric car onto the tow truck. Tow truck takes it to the repair shop. Crane truck also lifts the broken charging station.
Thank you.
And loads it onto super dump truck.
So nice. Woo! What's next? Open.
Fire truck goes to the repair shop for a fix.
Help me!
Excavator helps it install a brand new foam sprayer.
I like it. Nice. Yeah!
Thank you very much.
Fire truck is so happy.
Transformation! Goodbye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.